Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. What am I doing in the back of a pickup truck? Well, I wanted to show you the UHMW skid plate on the 2021 KRX 1000 from Kawasaki. As you can see, it does have the necessary drain holes put in. Super easy to get to. The rest is protected very well out to the side and all the way up the nose. It does wrap up around the front as well. You gotta love UHMW, guys. The UHMW protects the bottom of the machine very, very well. Great job from Kawasaki on the fitment of this product. What do you guys think? How about that coverage? Looks good. Gonna protect the bottom of the machine very well. I highly recommend putting the UHMW on it before you get the machine out there and use it and abuse it. It's gonna make it a lot easier on the install. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Does come with all of the included hardware to install this. No additional holes to drill. Huge thanks to Brett for allowing me the opportunity to shoot this video on the back of his pickup truck. He's gonna love his new KRX 1000. As always, have a great day, everybody.